So guys, as you can see, I have a pre-owned console by the Xbox 360. And you can see it's big and it's heavy. There's that. There's this. And there's what we got on this side. If you look back, what the back looks like, let me show you. It's that. And let's turn it up. Turn it up on the right side up. There we go. And now, if you see my more video on more games, I already have this. So that's, I guess I'm unboxing this. Whoa, wrong way. Right, there you go. Oh, wow, bubble wrap. This will be like, this will be like a power brick in the console or in the remote. This and the console itself. Okay, so first up, we'll leave the console for last. And this, here's the controller. But it actually feels really good. Any batteries? No, but I'm check which batteries those take on. I don't know. I'm assuming AAA or AA. Hang on, yeah, feels really nice. This stuff is this cord, which I think this goes onto the TV. And here it is. And this might be the power brick. Let me just take this rubber band off. I need to do it off camera, or you know, I just need to pull the camera down. Still tied. You know, that will do. You hit the bubble wrap. I think these are just airbags and not bubble wrap. And finally, the piece of resistance. The console. And here it is. Here's. I'm assuming that this is like a decal. I think it's a decal. Here's some instructions, which I might give a read. And here it is, the console. And since this is the slim, it does not get the red ring of death. And where is the thing, the you know, this is it. Yep. 250 gigabytes. Nice. So now,
You know how to do it? You work it out, won't you? I'll have a look at diagram. I think I know what it is.
yeah. Alright, so guys, that's my mom. Anyway, I will have a game for it. So I'm fine, play Adventure Time. Alright guys, I really go to enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with a friend. And until next time, £40. Go for more on. Alright guys, see ya.